welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show an amazing Excel features, flash fill. So if you have ever spent hours cleaning data, these tools will save you so much time. Let's dive into some of the things we'll be doing with these tools. So what is flash fill? Let's first understand what flash fill is. Flash fill is an Excel feature that detects patterns and automatically fill in data for you. It works like magic and require no formula. So flash fill does not require formulas. Some of us do not like working with formulas. So these tools is helpful, especially if you're working with a large data and you needed your work to be very fast and you needed to clean up that dirty data very fast. So with these tools, you can easily split your text. You can easily combine concatenate text without using formulas. So let's look at how we can apply this flash fill. So let's dive into it. So the first thing I like to do here is using the flash fill to separate the name from the first name and the last name. So we have the full name John Doe. So we're going to separate John and Doe in different columns. So John will come to the first name, then Doe will come to the last name. So I will do that for all the names in that rows. So let's start with the first one. So in this case, what you need to do is to type the first name you want to bring out. So you type it inside. So I need John first. So I type John, then to the next row. Then let's look for our flash fill. So where do you get your flash fill? So it's under the home tab and move down to the editing. This editing here, click on fill. You can see it here. This is the flash fill. It said here automatically fill in values. So it automatically fill in values. So just click on it. You'll see that it separates the first name from the full name. So do the same thing to the last name. So do I will do apply the same step to fill it. You can see that the last one here is that I want to use it to create an email. I want to use it to create an email for first name, then the last name combined together. So I would like to start with John Doe. So I want the email like this. Let's say John Doe at gmail.com. So come to the next row, then fill it in. So this is how to apply the flash fill, using it to separate and using it to combine and creating an email. I think this is helpful for us. You can easily subscribe to get more of this in this channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.